Hello my dear friends, so as you can see from the title, I managed to get the new Giorgio Armani Acqua di Gio Profondo Eau De Toilette. So together we're gonna have the unboxing and the first impression. Let's do it. So let's unbox together the Acqua di Gio Profondo Eau De Toilette. So Acqua di Gio Profondo Eau De Toilette Giorgio Armani 100 ml. Giorgio Armani logo here. Also the batch code here 38Z20 another 0H. Some informations here 100 ml and that's really nice. I like this timeless bottle. Also again we have the 38Z200H Eau De Toilette here, and we don't have magnetic cap unfortunately, so I really wanted a magnetic cap. So Bleu de Chanel, the lineup, has magnetic cap Eau De Toilette, Eau de Parfum and Parfum. So I do expect from this, you know, Armani is a luxury brand, so I do expect from them in the future all the lineup having magnetic cap. And again, refillable bottle, which is nice, so let's do it. From the beginning, this is a scent which I'm really familiar with. It's reminding me of Eau de Parfum Profondo, and of course it's reminding me of Parfum. We get a blast of citruses. Yeah, so the scent is really nice. We cannot go wrong with this DNA, and especially for the summertime. You know, Armani did it a bit. They released first Eau de Parfum, second Parfum, and now Eau de Toilette. In my opinion, this one should be the first release, but anyway, really happy to have it. So this one is a bit bitter, so is a fresh, a bit bitter kind of Acqua di Gio Profondo original Eau de Parfum, if I have just a bit to compare it. Yeah, so also I start getting a bit of lavender. Yeah, this smells really nice, guys, but bear in mind this is just the first impression, and looking forward to test it, and the review is going to be in, you know, 1-2 days, so stay tuned for that. So as I said, I'm looking forward to test Acqua di Gio Profondo in real life. So a bit disappointed because I don't have the magnetic cap, but I really get that grapefruit in the opening, so it's a bit bitter, but it is nice, fresh, you know, citrusy. It is nice. Acqua di Gio DNA, original Profondo DNA here, some mineral notes also, lavender. It smells really nice. So until next time, take care of you guys. Bye bye.